want to schedule your email in Gmail, you just hit the right video. Scheduling email is an exciting and very handy feature in Gmail in which you can send and schedule email to your boss, friend or colleague to your own specific date, time or month. And it can be done in your mobile phone and laptop or desktop as well. So let's begin.
First of all, open Gmail app. Here on the bottom you can see a compose button. Hit that. Now input the recipient email address. I am sending it to my friend, so I will type in his email ID. Now type in the subject line. Now I'll write the body of an email. Now I'm finished writing my email. To schedule this email, here on the top right corner you can see 3 dots. To schedule this email, hit these 3 dots. Now select the very first option of schedule sent. Here you can see couple of predefined dates and times. You can select among them. Otherwise, if you want to set your own date and time, select the last option of pick date and time. Now I will select the date. I want to send it on 20th of August on Friday. I'll select this and press OK. Now I will select the time. I want to select it at 4:30. Now press OK. Press schedule send here. Press OK again. Now this email has been scheduled on Friday 20th August at 4:30 p.m. Later on, if you find that you have done any mistake or you want to make some changes in your email, you can always do that. For this, you have to click on the left 3 bars on the top left corner here. Scroll down a little and here you can see a schedule button. Click here. Select the email. Now to make any changes, first you have to press this cancel send button. Now this email has been sent to the drafts. If you want to make any change, press here. Now I'll make the changes. We have finished the changes. Now if I want to send it right away, I will press this blue arrow. But if you want to schedule it, you have to repeat the procedure I just told you. Click on the top right corner, these 3 dots, and then select the schedule send, and then the same procedure I just told you. And one more exciting thing which I want to tell you here, that if your device, which is mobile phone or laptop, is not connected to internet on that specific date and time which you have just selected for the schedule, you do not need to worry, because this email has been saved into the Gmail server. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or internet, it will be delivered on that very date and time which you have selected. So if you like my video, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel as well, so you do not miss out an informative video in the future. Thank you.